Yo, 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 ladies and gentlemen, this is Doc Snow. Doc Snow's back in effect yet again. Here to do another real quick Raw review. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You know it. I tell you. Oh, okay, so the main things that happened tonight, really nothing much had happened in terms of like the mid card division and the Divas division, except for the fact that we got new tag team champions. We got the Black Hulk Hogan, and then we got Evan Ball and becoming a new tag team champions. Something tells me that David Otunga and Michael McGillicuddy or Joe Henning might get released before the end of the year, considering that the crowd doesn't really care for either one of them anyway. Oh, the last ditch effort is to now go to SmackDown and hopefully do something relevant there. And then let's see, what else do we get? We got Mystical and Eminem coming on out and deciding that, they're getting tired of being pushed around. All the little jimmies, all the little condoms and conspiracies and ketchup and mustard and all this crap is keeping them down. And then not getting ready to have any of that. I tell you, oh, ain't no way. Oh, it's not getting ready to happen for them. So we might get Mystical and Eminem as tag team champions in the near future. Way to shake up the tag teams. I'd rather have thrown together tag teams at this point than real tag teams, considering you don't have that many. You got the Usos, but that's really about it. And then let's see, we got CM Punk, John Laurinaitis, that ass bag, and then we got Triple H and John fucking Cena and Alberto Del Rio. Like, basically, here's what the hell happened. Both CM Punk and John Cena wanted to become WWE champion, but Triple H is like, you two is going to battle it out in the number one contender match for the WWE title. And then what had happened was this match was actually a decent match. And then Kevin Nash came out after John Laurinaitis lied about Kevin Nash being in a car accident. I know people were making fun of Matt Hardy. I couldn't help but LOL at that. And I think that it's going to be probably CM Punk and Kevin Nash. Hopefully, just a one time match, never to be seen again. And then we'll have John Cena versus Alberto Del Rio. All I have to say is let the bitching begin. Oh, peace out. First, Dark Snow fucking decides to have himself on my webcam, and then we have Zack Ryder on Raw. What the fuck?